Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings or System Settings and tapping Sign In to your device. Enter the new email you want as your Apple ID and choose a strong password. Once done, add a recovery phone number and confirm the email with the verification codes sent to you. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication when prompted. It protects your account and links trusted devices. Also add a payment method now if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions, so purchases sync without interruption. You should now go through Apple ID settings to verify contact details and review logged-in devices. This helps you spot unknown access. Once verified, consider setting a recovery key for maximum security, but remember it means you alone can recover the account. Next, check subscriptions and payment and shipping so services continue. Make sure Find My is enabled on each device so you can locate or lock them remotely. Finally, sign into iCloud and toggle syncing for mail, photos, and contacts so your data transfers seamlessly. You finish by signing into the App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime so purchases and messages appear across devices. Verify iCloud Drive and photos are syncing. If a verification code doesn't arrive, resend it and confirm your phone's date/time is automatic. Blocked messages or spam filters sometimes intercept codes. If problems persist, sign out of devices, reset your password from the Apple ID account page, then sign back in. This refreshes tokens and often resolves stubborn authentication or purchase issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.